Alright, I'm gonna back test a little bit. So I'm on 2021, it's a random year. Same fucking everything. Anyways, you have a 15-minute gap here. I'm looking at 15-minute gap here. So I'll literally just expect price to use that to go lower. We don't have a unmitigated 30-minute or 1 hour or 2 hour. And we do have SMT at this low, but it's not like a double SMT, so I'm not too worried about it. Like this morning. Anyways, we have this New York AM low, we have this London low. So those are all draws for bearish. Draws for bullish would be, yeah, we don't have any SMT here, so we can comfortably target them as well. We have this New York AM high. We have, what is that? That would be London, no, Asian. These are Asian highs. So conditions would just be Judas off of this 15-minute, right? Or a Judas off of this 2 hour, 1 hour, no, 30-minute. Alright, very simple. These are the key levels. We have good draws on liquidity. So let's see what we did here. What the hell? I'll go to the 15-second. What the fuck? That is unfortunate. This is gonna happen sometimes, but most of the time you'll get an entry. So we bounced off of our key level, being the 15-minute gap. We have all of this low resistance liquidity here. Really good target. And none of it is high resistance. All just LR. If we inverse here, easily enter that, but we don't. So now it's just want price to take this low and just reject off of it, and then I would just target the LR, but the DOL is higher. So we just catch a piece of the pie, but it's important to have your high time frame analysis in check so you can read price, right? Because even though we're doing micro movements, you need your high time frame analysis in check so you know where price is going. Let's see what we do here. Gonna have to sweep this level on NQ and ES. Let's see. Yes. Yes swept in a 15-minute gap. NQ swept in a 30-minute gap. True manipulation. We have really good structure. We have our inversion. We have this 15-second rejection block. It's also a 1 minute. Really good. We have the inversion. You take this trade right here. Target a 1 to 2 versus reward. You can target this full high. I just do 2 hour max. Then I will break even at I'll break even when ES takes my targets. Since there's no like good break even here, because price has no reason to reverse. Risking 500 for 1,000. Yes, tuck your draws, go break even. It's perfect. And then let's see if it takes this draw. It eventually does. Wait up for forest or a word, basically. Alright, on to the next day. Alright, what do I see here? Let's go 4 hour and down. We can check the daily. Alright, 4 hour and down. What do we have? We have this 4 hour gap. We have this low resistance in the high time frame. Let's go to the 2 hour. We have this 2 hour gap here. We also have this 2 hour gap here. Thinking we'll get a continuation though. It's like we have big bearish SMT here. I don't like that. So yeah, that's not. Nah, I can still target that. 'Cause okay, 30-minute. This is my biggest key level here. This 30-minute. So I'm expecting price to react off of any of these key levels, preferably this 30-minute. Alrighty. It's just gonna run, I guess. What is it reacting off of? We do have a small 30-minute gap here. And yes. What did yes just tap into? Is that all-time high? ES just made all-time highs, so I'm only looking to long. See if we get like a 5-minute continuation or something. Tap the 5-minute gap. When did we form the 15? We formed the 15 in 10 minutes. Yeah, I can't take this. Let's see where all-time highs is. We didn't have true manipulation, so I just can't take that. Maybe discretionally you can. What the fuck? Oh, it glitched out. Alright, whatever. See if we get a setup at all today. We do not. Alright, let's go to the next day. Assume we're at all-time highs here. 930, 930. We have this visible SMT here. I don't really care about SMT when it comes to Asia, London, pre-market. I care when it happens after market open, really, because that's where the key levels get hit. Then there's SMT, all that. Yeah, we are at all-time highs here. But this looks long after we retrace. We didn't tap a 5-minute or anything. We're just fucking ooh. All-time highs is tricky. Yeah, we'll guarantee do something like this. Maybe. That's if it's good. If it's good price action. No. I mean, you could make the argument all-time highs, right? Just long, because we tap the 5-minute gap. This 5 is sponsored as well. And yes, and we have true manipulation. Hold on. Yeah, this 30-second. This 30-second inversion is peak. Really good. If I just go for a 1-to-1 or something, because we left these equal highs here. Right, this 30-second inversion would have been shit. No structure here. Too big of a range. And then we edge or draw on liquidity, go lower, have the signature in price. So you definitely could take a setup like this. And the 5-minute gap price tapped here is sponsored by this 15-minute gap. So that makes it A+. This, however, is discretionary. Yeah, and it fails. So yeah, that's why you don't just target fucking Narnia or whatever. I personally don't really take trades like this, even though I did backtesting, but yeah, I would need this inversion here. This is just basically FOMO. Let's see if we re-sweep though, and then we get a real like protected low inversion. So we made SMT at our key level. Let's see if we get a setup. We have a 2-minute, we have a 3-minute. It's just too big of a fucking range. So yeah, I just don't want to engage in this. It's terrible. Yeah, ES didn't even, that's crazy. Yeah, all-time highs is different. It's just pure FOMO when you're at it. But you want to stick to your system always. Just not in a key level at all. Like, oh, look at this perfect 15-second. That's wild. You took all the draws on ES, so it's like you can't even take that. Exactly. Didn't even tap a 15-minute gap. Like, did tap a 5, and ES tapped a 15. ES didn't even react. So in a key level now. We are on a 4-hour gap. We want ES to be in a key level as well. We do have S&T, but I don't like it. Not like good enough structure to take a 15-second or a 30-second. 1 minute would be good, but we have a 3-minute. We also have a 5-minute. Should re-sweep here. Yeah, this is just terrible. We got the 5-minute version. We have this low resistance. One, two, took 4 candles to inverse, delivering out of a 4-hour gap. I'm not liking the SMT really. See if ES is in a 5-minute gap. Nope. I don't like, yeah, I don't even, yeah, this is terrible. Let's see if it plays out though. I'm not gonna take it. I would never take this trade. Let's do 1-to-1. Took you until 12 p.m. to hit take profit. We have a 5-minute continuation, but terrible entry. Yeah, it's a really bad day. See, 15-minute gap. We have a 30-minute gap here, unmitigated. That would be, yeah, we're drawing liquidity. 4-hour gap, delivery. Yes, it's just doing fuck all. Yeah, I just want shorts, to be honest. Off with a 30-minute. Tap the 30-minute. ES is respecting the 15-minute. See if we got a 15-second here. Not one that's good, really. We took the internal. Don't like that. I do like the SMT. This is terrible price action. Yeah, that's not bad. This LR, we have the SMT. See, there's a 30-second. There was, and we inversed the outer 30-second. There's a 1 minute too. I don't like the structure on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's annoying. Not being able to catch the move till the 5-minute inversion. See, respect the 30-minute here, respect the 15-minute here. Your target is high resistance liquidity, being the 4-hour gap. But there's also a massive SMT there as well. Double SMT at that. But it didn't get put in after market open, so it's not really that significant. The ES just wants to run all this low resistance, and I'm sure the daily is bullish actually. And we have this 12-hour unmitigated. Yeah, this is pretty bullish. So yeah, targeting this low is like, let me see if it, and the risk reward on this trade is terrible. So like, you have no targets to the left at all. See, I would not take this trade. See how it plays out though. Didn't even hit full TP. Wait, see if we get a long. See if ES is in a key level. Nope. Actually, yeah, 30-minute gap. Hold on. No 15-second terrible structure. We have this 5-minute here. Want that to get inverse. To be inverse. Not yet. Wait, what is this shit? We do have this 5-minute gap here. It did get inverse, but discretionally, you would still expect price to go higher. Like, well, what is this? Now we get the inversion. So we do have this 5-minute here, sponsored by the 4-hour. However, the 5-minute was inversed, but that doesn't, like, discretionally, if you know your shit, that doesn't matter too much. Especially when ES did not inverse it, and you know the drawn liquidity is higher. That being said, I'm gonna take this 1 minute. I would take this live time as well. Really good. I would just target a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. My break even would be this high. That is unfortunate. Yeah, that's really unfortunate. Get stop rated, then it runs full TP. Yeah. I mean, that is a statistical loss, I guess, but I mean, you could always re-enter and then target 2 risks to reward. Let's see if that actually plays out. Speed it up real fast. It does not. Yeah, it's unfortunate. And this 1 minute, really nice. All that low resistance. It's all good. Alright, let's see what we do here. Just gonna assume we'll reject off of this level. 30-minute gap tap, 30-minute gap tap, probably a 1 hour. Yep. See if we get a Judas swing off open. Do we get a 15-second? No, 1 minute is the highest. Resweep maybe, then inverse. That is insane. That is insane. Alright, we can get longs as well. Do we have like big SMT here? Nah, we don't. So it's correlated. Yeah, we have these equal highs here, which is Asian highs. Could still get longs for sure. We're in a 15-minute gap. We have this 30-minute below, so I would wait for the 30-minute to get tapped. Come on, tap 30. What are we doing? How are you gonna edge the 30-minute? ES is tap the 5-minute, so we do have true manipulation. Where did I get this 5-minute inversion as well? That is retarded. That is retarded, like. We inverse the 15, that's crazy. We didn't even tap the 30, that's crazy. Shit happens. See if we get shorts now. and we have all of this low resistance. Why would we get shorts? Let's see if we get a continuation long. Off of what though? Like, we're not in a key level whatsoever here. Yeah, it's just bullish. This 5 minute is not sponsored. So yeah, this one long. Once we resweep, tap the 30 minute. Come on, what are we doing? What the fuck? Like, why? Yeah, ES tap the 30 minute. NQ inverse the 5. It's like, if NQ respected the 5, I could have taken a position because ES tapped the 30. But like, holy shit. Holy shit. Like, we are in a 2 hour, 1 hour gap. So is ES. Let's see if we get, what is this, bro? Why would I short this, you know? Unless we have some 15 second. No, that looks terrible. Yeah, let's go next day. That's annoying. This is a really bad month to backtest. Like to teach someone or show someone. Alright, we tap this 30 minute gap here on ES and NQ. See if we get a Judas swing. Get a 15 second. Didn't. No, 30 second. Let's see. See if we get a 30 second here. Don't. Maybe a resweep and then a 15 second or 30 second. That looks nice. That looks perfect. What the fuck is ES? What are you doing? Like, what are we doing? Like, I already took my draw. We still have all this LR though. We have this 930 wick. Where'd my break even be? My break even would be this 5 minute close. 4 minutes. Yeah, my break. I don't have a break even yet. Unless ES, like, I don't know, man. Should I even take this setup? Like, ES, what are we doing? Alright. Yeah, I'll still take this setup. Yeah. This isn't that bad. Over exaggerating, but like, ES, what are we doing? Finally. That is 1.5 reward, really good. ES is just chopping, like, Jesus. Get out of here. This is a really good setup. Alright, you see the wick. We caught the wick as usual. Next setup. See what we do. 4 hour gap. Yeah, we have a 4 hour gap right here. See if we tapped it. See what ES is tapping. We do have SMT here at a, no we don't, hold on. We do. We have SMT at a key level on ES. plus, see if we're in a 15-minute on ES. True manipulation. No 15 seconds. See the 1 minute. Maybe a resweep. And then a 15 second. Ooh, look at that shit. 30 seconds. No, 15 seconds. Look how clean that looks. Look at that. Look at the structure as well. And we have a 930 whip. But break even would be at this 4-minute gap for sure. Because I expect that to get inverse, and I'll probably be out of the trade by then as well. I would just target the low of this, low resistance. We do have SMT as well. So I'll probably break even when ES hits here as well. I like the bullish SMT, the bearish SMT, I mean. A+ setup. Super A+. 1.16 just a reward. Basically 1-to-1. Should just run. That's what I thought. That is what I thought. That's what I thought. Beautiful. See if we run full sell side here. Ooh. Let's do the risk to reward. Holy shit. If you were to just hold that bitch. Risk to reward is crazy. It's insane. We had true manipulation, right? ES tapped, then Q tapped a 4-hour gap. ES tapped a 15-minute gap. As you can see, ES did inverse it. See if we're still on a 5-minute. Yep, ES respected a 5-minute gap. True manipulation. We have good draws lower. Everything's perfect about this setup. Let's go to the next day. $9.30. We're in a 30-minute gap here on NQ and a is this glitched? Yeah, it's glitched. Reload that shit. Yes, NQ. Alright, yes is in a 5-minute gap. NQ is in a 30. Let's see if we get a Judas swing here. Maybe a resweep. What are we in? We have a 5-minute gap here. See the 4-minute. Like, it's so annoying. ES did inverse its key level. No, it didn't. ES is in a 15-minute gap. Setup is so good. It's just like no entry type of shit. We're def. Oh, this is a C. No. Looks like CPI. We're definitely gonna run this. There's no way we don't. Hold up. Still get an entry here. We didn't take my break even point being we don't actually have a 930 wick, so my break even would be, I don't even think I would go break even. There's like no key level that would take price lower. Here, I'll target a 1-to-1 and now I'll go break even at this high right here. Just because it would be my draw on liquidity. Did ES take my draw? If ES takes this high, I'm going to break even. ES took the high, I'm going to break even. Come on. Yeah, that's retarded. It is retarded. Let's see if we do eventually run. No, we don't. Yeah, we did. I mean, that's still retarded. Where's buy side? Yeah, we don't even have. Yeah, this was buy side. It is high resistance, but it's not that significant. Because we did inverse to 30. Nah, 1 hour is being respected hardcore. I would still take that trade. Yeah, we do have draws higher. There's annoying 5-minute inversions, bro. Like, see this SMT here. See what we do here. Tap 30-minute gap. Instantly reject. NQ also taps a 30-minute gap. Or ES. See if we get a 30-second inversion. We do. Takes my break-even point. See if we get longs now. We do. Let's see if it's a 30-second. It is. Beautiful. See, ES tapped a 15-minute gap. NQ tapped a 4-hour gap. We then got a 30-second long. Structure is we have good targets here. This high, we have this high to go break even. Oh yeah, I would also break even because that's a 30-minute gap. To draw on liquidity here is this high up here. This long 15-minute unmitigated, and we have these. We have buy side above. So yeah, we are targeting high resistance as our break-even point, but it's perfectly fine. I would honestly just 1-to-1 here, because we don't have like structure to target. Break even. That is target. That is one tick. I'm going back in time, gang. Going back in time. Can do negative. Fuck you. Come on. What are we doing? Load. Alright, there we go. Beautiful setup. See if we get. Look at ES. That looks terrible. We did get shorts. Like, can't short off anything because ES. Yeah, we caught the wick once again. Yeah, all-time highs. We are. Bro, I fucking hate all-time highs, man. We tapped the 15-minute gap. We edged the 30-minute gap. Are we fucking serious? We got a Judas swing 30-second inversion. Alright, man. Alright. How can I not, how can I not take that? See if we do have true manipulation. We have a 930 wick. Yeah, all-time highs, bro, just long. Straight up. It's 1-to-1. Not even gonna break even because we're all-time highs. Are we serious? Alright. On to the next day. What are you doing here? Delivering out of a 30-minute gap. We tapped the 30-minute gap. Yes, tapped the 15-minute gap. 1-minute inversion. Do we tap a 5? We don't have a 5. We inverse the 4. We have this 3-minute here. ES is in this 5. I wouldn't take this, but you could. Honestly, you could take this. I don't see setups like this very often. Ooh, this 5-minute was already mitigated as well to create the SMT, so that has no, like, it doesn't really matter. Plus the 4-minute was inverse, so this 3-minute doesn't matter. Yeah, take that back. I'll take this. Right, if that 4-minute wasn't inverse, and if this 5-minute wasn't already mitigated, I would fade the setup. But because we mitigated it, then tapped it again, it no significance. And then the highest time frame for value gap here is the 4-minute. It was inverse already, so this 3-minute means nothing to me. So yeah, I would take this. 1000%. Really good structure, good Judas swing. Beautiful. I'm not like taking a lot of time to analyze, so I might fuck up a little bit, but doing pretty good. Let's go next day. What do we tap? We tapped a... We didn't tap anything. Again, we didn't tap anything. It was 2 hour, we didn't tap it yet though. Now we did. Ooh, this looks good. We tapped the 5-minute. We had the 15s, so it doesn't matter. Let's see if this leg is sponsored. No, not at all. See if we get shorts now for like a 15-second. We're in a 2 hour here. We're in a 2 hour here. See if we get a 15. Nothing good. It's just super bullish as well. If we go on the daily, we do have this daily and mitigated. I would expect that to get hit. ES already hit it though, so it's like, let's see if we got a 15-second up here. We do, but the structure is not good at all. Not something I would take ever. If the structure was good, I definitely would, but it's just not good. Ooh. Look at this 1 minute. ES structure. See if we have a. Nope. Look at the SMT, holy shit. SMT, decent structure. We have this LR, and we have this LR. I've seen that too many times. We are inside of a 2-hour gap. ES is inside of a 15-minute gap. So the true manipulation. Get the 1 minute inversion, and I will just target it 1-to-1 because we have this big of a gap here. Yeah, 5-minute gap. Price could reverse there. Probably did, yeah. Target slow. Bro, this setup is beautiful. See if we keep going lower. How much is the reward? 4 is crazy. 5 is crazy. Yep. Literally, you just mark your key levels. Be aware of the drawn liquidity. Don't target double SMT if the double SMT is put in after market open. That simple. And true manipulation. Good high time frame gap delivery. Good inversion. Just back test that shit and you win. What are we in? Are we at all-time highs again? We are. That's gay. Alright. So we just tap a fair value gap and get a fucking inversion. I'll take it. Like this 5-minute here. Let's see when the 15 opens. 10 minutes. If we get a clean inversion, I'll take it. We have a 2-minute. We tap the 2-minute. Ooh. 30 second? Yeah, but we did tap the 2-minute. What are we doing with the SMT? Like, if we had SMT at this low, unless you want to use this as a rejection block. But we have this 15-minute gap here. It's like, how are we not tapping it? Okay, like, what is this game? We have a 4-minute inverse off of the 4-minute rejection block. It's honestly, because we're at all-time highs and we have this LR leading up, it's like, well, I'm gonna say fuck it. See, that's what happens when you get FOMO. Yeah, we wanted the 15-minute gap. That was pretty obvious. Alright, now that we tapped the 15, when did we open at 30? 1 minute. We're gonna tap the 30 now. Yep, we tapped the 30-minute gap. Alright, ES is in a 5-minute gap. True manipulation. 1-minute inversion. Highest time frame inversion as well. Oh, we got another. We We're still tapped into the 30, another 30 as well. Come on, give me like a 15 second. We don't have a 30, we do have this 30. Let's see if we get a 15. We don't have a 15 second. We have a 30 second here. Alright, if we inverse the 30 second pretty smoothly. Alright. It's just, yeah, okay. Look at all this LR, bro. How did this not get ran? Alright, yeah, ES was delivering out of a 1 hour, no, 30-minute, a 30-minute bearish, as much as that matters. Like any trades I take out of FOMO, like I'm not counting, you know. But if it's like statistical with my system, then usually always fucking wins. Alright, we're in a 4-hour gap here, or 30-minute. We're in a 30-minute gap here on NQ. Yes, at all-time highs. Jesus Christ. Okay, I can't short here at all. If we tap this 5-minute is not even sponsored. Oh my god. It's hard trading all-time highs, not following your system, because it feels like 50-50. We don't even have an inversion. What are we doing? We tapped a 1 hour gap here. We tapped a 30-minute on ES. See if we're in a 5. We're in a 5 as well. So if we just reject up from here, it's wraps. Structure here is not good to take a 15 second or a 30. See if we get to this 5-minute. We did. Look where ES is at this time. ES made exact equal lows with a 1 hour. I feel like I heard someone say that counts as a resweep. I'm not gonna take this trade, but we'll see. What is that? Ooh, that's perfect. Holy shit. Look, let me show you. Did not expect that. So I faded this setup because ES was not like in a place to distribute with how the candles were looking. But look, ES now reswept, creating an internal SMT at a key level, right? NQ is in a 2 hour, 1 hour gap, right? ES is now in the 30-minute gap with SMT. See if we get a 1-minute inversion here. We do. I need more confirmation. That's perfect. We have good structure, really good structure, equal highs and good structure. SMT as well, really good. And ES is going up, right? When we took the 5-minute, ES was literally right here. Like, that's not good. Let's see if we get a 15 second. Nope. 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 For my stop, see. I'll target a 1.7 restore ward equal highs. Break even would be, let's say this 4-minute gap here, because I expect it to get inversed. Alright, go break even there. Beautiful trade. S&C, like, so fucking beautiful. Like, SMGs only matter when they're at key levels. Like, the trade this morning that failed, it was at a key level. That's why what's my win rate so far? 91. Average 1.2. Yeah, forgot this is a whole new month, 2021. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, you get 10 plus trades every month. Literally every month. You can see I'm very mechanical with my analysis. Well, discretionary on the low time frame, mechanical on the high time frame. That's a big ass bird. Wait, is this a data wick? Nah, I'm tripping. Who's calling me, gang? It's like, yeah, swept a 4-hour, or swept this previous day low, and Q didn't. It's not a good SMT though, you know. Like, you want the nah, I'm not gonna explain that right now. You just want it to be pre-market. Alright, now we swept it. Let's see if we get a 15-second right after sweeping. Let's rewind here. Let's take a look at this 15-second displacement candle. I'm gonna decide if I would take that live time. Damn it. Oh, I did it again. Like, are we fucking serious? Don't do it again. Alright. No, I would not take that because we're in this 30-second. You need that 30 seconds to get inverse. So, yeah. What you would want to see here is exactly what happened at resweep. Alright, resweep and then 15-second inversion. See, small 15-second right here. Stop loss here, and then you can target it. I would probably just low hanging fruit. And keep cam would definitely target fucking that. Let's see. Yeah, we do have auto break even here because I expect the 1 minute to get inversed. This is a A+ trade I would take a million times out of a million times. We have really good structure here, really good low resistance. We have a good stop hunt. Alright, so anyone who took this got stopped out. Yep, beautiful. Let's see if we keep going. We push past that. Ooh, look at the risk reward. Like 4 risk reward almost. It's beautiful. I'm chilling with my low hanging fruit. If we had more structure here, like this, right? If it looked just like that, right, or basically like this, then I would have targeted up here. I'm just like I've seen too many times where NQ camo, like this morning, he targeted way higher. Gotta stop break even. But yeah, you can see how far this runs. Like, look at that, bro. You can literally catch fucking low of day with the 80% win rate. It's rare, but like, you can. 77 or so reward. That's crazy. That is crazy. Basically done this whole month. I didn't expect that. But alright, we instantly tap. We have this 30-minute down here, so I don't care about this. Yo, the low resistance liquidity though. And the 15-second inversion, the 30-second inversion, oh my god. So yeah, since a 15 and a 30, they're both high time frame gaps, it could be either one. Apparently. Yeah, we have this 30 here. However, you're targeting 4-hour high resistance liquidity. Price is in a daily fair value gap though, so you can target 4-hour high resistance liquidity when price is in a daily fair value gap. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Might stop there. Probably just target right here. Yeah, that is beautiful. Alright, where would I go break even? I won't go break even on this trade. I'll break even once ES takes my drawn liquidity, which it made exact equal highs. I feel like that counts. I'm tripping. Maybe did it take it now? Oh, alright, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Alright, true manipulation as well. Alright, ES tap that gap as well. Let's see, we're in a 15 as well. We have these targets right here. We are in a 4-hour though, bearish. We're delivering at this 12-hour. 4-hour sponsored by 12-hour. Yeah, I'm bearish high time frame, but we'll see. Like, if we get a Judas here, would I want a long? We don't have a 30-second. We don't have a 1 minute. Ooh. Oh, we do have this data wick. Yeah, moving too fast to even target that. Yes, hit it though. No, I didn't. NQ is about to. Let's see if we get this 5-minute tab. 5-minute is sponsored, by the way. So let's see what we do here. I'm gonna wait till 10 a.m. here. At 10 a.m. didn't do anything. We have a 5 here. We don't have a 5. I mean, we don't have a 4. We don't have a 3. We don't have a 2. We have a 1. I want to target this data wick. Equal lows as well. We need to tap this 15-minute gap though. So something like that needs to happen. Tap the 15, let's see if we get a 15. Nah, structure's too bad for a 15-second. That's annoying. 80% win rate of getting hit, by the way. That's retarded. Let's see if it gets hit now. It does. Like no entry. It's all good. We do have this rejection block. Not that I use them. Right out of the 4-hour gap too. That is crazy. Restore reward. About 11 restore reward. That is crazy. Alright, that is it for the month. Imagine ending the month with a 12-hour trade. 92% win rate. Average is 1.3 restore reward. Max is 2. We had 1 loss. Was it avoidable? I think that was avoidable. I don't remember. But yeah, 1,000, 800, 600, 1,000, 500, 600, 500, 1,000, 600, 1,000. Yeah, it feels like it's really good restore reward there.